Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to make the GTA filter trend video on TikTok. So first we are going to need two apps. So the first one is the AI Mirror app. You can download it on your Play Store if you're using an Android device, or you can download it on your App Store if you're using an iOS device. And the processes that you're going to see next will be the same if you're using an iOS device. So let's get on it. After downloading the AI Mirror app, you'll actually also need the CapCut app to be able to edit the video. So first, what you're going to do is to tap onto the AI Mirror app and then find the effect right here, the Tef Gangsta filter or effect. So we go ahead and tap onto that, allow access, and then after, just select the photo that you want to add the effect on. So let us select the 9 by 16 size. So it is appropriate. This is the appropriate size for a TikTok video. Then after that, just tap onto the draw. You can now go ahead and wait for your photo to be edited. And to actually download or use the edited or your edited version of your photo, you actually need to try the free trial or apply for the free trial of the app, or to actually purchase the app to have an access to your photo. To use the free trial, you can toggle on that use free trial there on your screen and just tap on to continue. And after downloading your photo, you can go ahead to CapCut and then edit your photo using the templates on TikTok. Just search on the GTA filter trend and then use the templates there that you'll see on your TikTok. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.